This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 15th of November. I'm James Spann. Boy, it's a nice calm pattern, and it looks like it's going to stay that way through Thanksgiving. Now, let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. Got a pretty big contrast as some folks are cloudy and some folks are clear. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. They are clear, and they are in the mid-30s. But there's the Montevallo Skycam, and they're cloudy, and they're in the 40s. And back up in northwest Alabama, there's Fayette. They're clear, and they're not too far from freezing. So kind of the dividing line is basically around Birmingham. East and south, it's cloudy. North and west, it's clear. There's the upper trough. The axis is now east of the state. That's the one that brought the clouds yesterday. And we got a low-level flow from the east, and that should keep the clouds in place over east Alabama today. But for west Alabama, the sun should be out, in a way kind of like yesterday. Temperatures this morning, again, you can pick out the clouds easily by looking at that map. Where it's clear, you've got readings below freezing up in northwest Alabama. Tuscaloosa, they're clear at 37, but where the clouds are in place, you've got 40s over in east Alabama. In fact, it's 50 in Alexander City and Montgomery. Around the nation, a cool, stable air mass for much of the United States. And look at that watch warning map. I mean, zero problems, basically. And I mean, this is mid-November. Come on, on this date in 1989, 23 people were killed in Huntsville from an EF4 tornado. A horrible situation that was on a Wednesday afternoon. People were driving home from work. And that's just a reminder of what can happen this time of the year, so we can be thankful for a map that looks like that. And the rain for the next 5 days, not much. Around a little rain east of Alabama. Most of the rain back in the Pacific Northwest. A little bit showing up early next week over Texas. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the 06 ZGFS, valid at noon today at 500 millibars. Shortwave to the east. Down below that, west Alabama probably sunny, east Alabama cloudy. And the high today depends on where you are. Where the sun is out, low 60s. Where the clouds linger, highs only in the 50s like yesterday. Tomorrow, everybody should be back in sunshine. We reach the low to mid 60s. This Saturday, as we start the weekend, going to be nice. Highs anywhere from 62 to 65 with a sunny sky. And the exact same thing on Sunday. And we'll start the morning in the upper 30s and low 40s. So chilly nights, cool days, sunny weather. Just what you expect this time of the year. All right, Thanksgiving fans, let's take a look at next week. This is Monday. A lot of people are off school and off work, and they'll be traveling over the river and through the woods to Grandmama's house. Got a little shortwave ridge here, so for us, Monday's going to be fine. Sunny with a high in the 60s. Tuesday, we stay dry and nice, and there's your big travel day. That's Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve. And look how much of the country is dry and tranquil. Got a big low off in the Atlantic, well east of the United States. Little rain breaks out in Texas. If you go into Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, San Antonio, you might get wet. And clearly the nastiest weather in the nation is back in the Pacific Northwest, where they could see some snow. That's even suggesting maybe some snow for Seattle and Portland on the immediate coast. So that's your trouble spot for traveling. Thanksgiving Day looks beautiful here. I mean, all next week just looks dry. I don't see any need to mention any chance of rain next week. That will be cool and dry with high in the low to mid 60s and lows down around 40. And there's Black Friday. Same deal. Rain breaks out west of here, but we stay dry. This is Sunday the 25th. This is suggesting a cold front easing in here with a chance of rain. That would be our next chance of rain if the model is right, as the holiday weekend wraps up. And then Monday the 26th turns a little colder, but the upper air winds keep the coldest air north of here. We'll check the end of the forecast the 28th. Look at the trough over the east, and if that's right, that's cold, man. That's a 1,030 millibar high around Vicksburg and Greenville, Mississippi. And a intense blizzard up in the northeast, if this is right. But this is all voodoo. And then at the true end of the forecast, this is where we end here, the 1st of December. That would be dry and fairly pleasant. And again, no sign of any severe weather problems for the rest of this month, and that is a very good thing. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.